Hi everyone, and practice what we learned in lesson 4. First, prepare A, U, and O. O, pool, food, food, goose, shoe. O, pool, food, food, good, sugar. The second, I write it double vowels, diphthongs. All, tall, round, loud. I, toy, joy, noise. I, my, house, buy, I, a, chase, take, pay, ear, cheer, beer, war, poor, tour, sure, air, hair, chair, beer, oh, no, show, nose, you, beauty, Julian, chill. The third, I practice how to speak perfect English. How to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have a perfect pronunciation if you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time. Try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't bother worrying about your mistake. You speak with charming voice and pronunciation. Take care and bye bye.